Hello everybody, welcome to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add page numbers in Google Docs. So let's begin the video. Open your document in Google Docs, then click Insert from the top menu, and then go to Page Elements. From here, click on Page Numbers. Here you will see 4 different layout options. For example, you can place the page number at the top or at the bottom. You can also choose whether or not to show a number on the first page. Select the layout you want and Google Docs will automatically add page numbers to your document. So, there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.